great. So this will be 485 minus S. Same way you should do, okay?
Okay.
Now write it. Now solve it. Can you start?
Okay.
Average speed is given. Use the formula for average speed and you should make two equations and then solve it. First, you should tell me what is your requirement. What is your requirement?
52.
Write T2 and question mark T2. First, write here T2. This is your requirement. Okay, clear? Now solve. Okay, good, great. Okay, very nice. And there is no need to write the unit. Okay, clear? Now you should solve. Okay, good. Okay, good, great. Okay, T2. Okay, good. This is one equation, okay?
Okay.
Can you do other? Okay, very nice, good, great. Can you try? There will be equation, okay? You should make the equation for formula for T1. Okay, good, great, very nice. Okay, next. Yes, total time is given, and you can write t is equal to t1 plus t2. Okay, good, great. Okay, very nice. First of all, you should find the LCM of 30 and 80.
Okay.
Can you find?
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Start. Okay, good, great. Can you complete it? Also divide on 2 first and then 5. There will be 1 here, okay? Are you understanding? When there will be 1, then you should stop, okay? Yes. Okay, now you should find.
Says 400.
This not 400, maybe. Wait. 240. You are not getting 240.
No, never mind that. Yeah.
Wait. I will check. You should again think. Again do. Answer is 400. Wait. 80. Yes, 400 divided by 30. No, 400 is not good. Okay, wait. We will see. First, you are dividing on 2, 40 is 15. 2, this is 20, 15, 2 and 10, 15 and 5.
Oh, wait. Oh, no.
3, here will be 3. Okay, good, great. Yes, because yes, now you should do. Their answer will be 240.
Yeah.
Yes, 240 is good. Okay, clear. So
Okay.
now make like fractions and do. Wait, we can also move to next page. Okay, you should do here, and then I will copy and we will move to next page. Okay,
Okay.
right. Here will be 3, not 4. It is wrong, okay? 3 multiplied by, yes, good, great. Wait. I will copy and on next page. We will try to solve, okay?
Okay.
Can you see? Now try. Now complete it.
Yeah.
5 times 3 is not 35.
It's 3S.
5 times 3 is okay, S, yes, it is 3S. Yes, 3S, it is good, yes. This is S, not 5, yes. Now I should do 485 multiplied by 8. 8 will be multiplied to this and 8 will be multiplied to this, okay? Because this is a multiplying with whole. Okay, good. Okay, now do. Okay, good, great, very nice. S is equal to, right? Right here, 440. Yes, this is S value, okay? You need T2. Can you see the T2 formula? Write T2 formula and put the value and find the answer.
Okay.
Can you do?
Yes.
Okay, now do. Wait, I will copy the, wait. I will copy T2 formula, okay? I am uploading here, okay? You should try. This you have calculated T2 is equal to 485 minus S over 30. Okay, now do. 30, right? 30, yeah. Okay, good, great, you're genius. Okay, now do 485 minus 440. You should subtract and divide by 30. Okay. 40. 485 minus 440. Answer will be not 40. Again think 45 and write the answer. So first, can you write the unit of this as it will be kilometer or meter? Here, what is the unit of this as 400?
Kilometer.
Write kilometer. Yes, we will write kilometer. T2. You should write simplify and write the answer in fraction form or write the answer in mixed number form. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, T2. This is a improper fraction. Can you write this improper fraction answer into mixed number? Also write the unit. Also write T2. First write T2. Yes. Hour is equal to T2. Okay, good, great. 1.5 hour. Okay. Total time is 7 hour. In last 1.5 hour, there is a dust. Okay. Dust storm during the trip. Okay, good, great. So all questions are easy. Okay.